Hello, pasta lovers and trivia fans. Welcome to our World Pasta Challenge. Today, we're putting your pasta knowledge to the ultimate test. From classic Italian shapes to international noodle creations, which pasta shape resembles small ears? Orecchiette, meaning little ears in Italian, is a small concave pasta shape that closely resembles small ears. What pasta shape is formed by rolling small squares of dough around a thin rod? Cannelloni is the correct answer. It is a cylindrical pasta shape formed by rolling small squares of dough around a thin rod. What pasta shape looks like a small bow tie? Farfalle, also known as bow tie pasta, resembles a small bow tie with its distinctive shape and ridge texture. What pasta shape features a curled spiral form? Fusilli is a pasta shape that features a curled, spiral form. It is perfect for holding on to thick sauces. What pasta shape has a tube-like shape with ridges along its length? Rigatoni is a pasta shape that has a tube-like shape with ridges along its length, allowing it to hold sauces well. Which pasta shape is thin and hollow with square-cut ends? Penne is the correct answer. Its name means quills in Italian, describing its shape perfectly. The hollow, tube-like pasta has square-cut ends, making it great for holding onto sauces. What pasta shape resembles a small wagon wheel? Rotel pasta, also known as wagon wheel pasta, resembles a small wagon wheel. It has a unique shape with ridges that can hold sauce well. What pasta shape is long and thin with a slight curve? Linguine is a long and thin pasta shape that is similar to spaghetti but with a slight curve. Which pasta shape has a short, curved, tube-like shape with ridges? Cavatelli is a pasta shape characterized by its short, curved, tube-like shape with ridges. It is perfect for holding onto sauces and is commonly used in Italian cuisine. What pasta shape is formed by rolling small squares of dough around a thin rod and then pressing the center with a finger? Tortiglione is formed by rolling small squares of dough around a thin rod and then pressing the center with a finger. The result resembles a hollow tube with ridges on the outside. What pasta shape is long and flat, like a wide ribbon or a small lasagna? Tagliatelle is the correct answer. These long, flat ribbons of pasta are a classic in Italian cuisine. What pasta shape has a flat ribbon-like form with a curly or wavy edge? Pappardelle is a pasta shape that has a flat ribbon-like form with a curly or wavy edge. What pasta shape has a curved, shell-like form with ridges on the surface? Conchiglie, also known as shell pasta, has a